Hello and Namaste. Welcome back to our channel Joint Watch. Today we are here with a list of top cement brands in Nepal 2020. Here we have prepared the list of top cement brands you can use for your dream project. Agni Cement. It is one of the best Nepalese cement producer located in the Rupandehi district of Nepal. It provides cement of OPC and PPC type at a reasonable price. It is a high quality cement best for concrete structures all over Nepal. The price range for Agni Cement OPC is 630 to 780 and PPC 570 to 750. Ambe Cement. Nepal has many cement companies and this has in fact made Nepal self-reliable for cement demand. Ambe Cement is one of the leading companies in Nepal in terms of quality cement. Ambe Cement provides the construction industry with cement quality that is truly international. The price range for Ambe Cement OPC is 720 to 800 and for PPC 640 to 750. Argha Kachi Cement. The company has been established with an objective of establishment and operation of a clinker and cement manufacturing unit. Argha Kachi Cement is the foremost cement manufacturing companies in Nepal. It provides both PPC and OPC type of cement. The price range for Argha Kachi Cement is for OPC 690 to 820 and for PPC 590 to 750. Bridge Cement. Bridge offers a wide range of OPC and PPC cement with consistent quality cement and cement conforming to its consistency. It is one of the widely used cement in Nepal. The price range for Bridge PPC is 640 to 800 and OPC 770 to 850. CG Cement. Chaudhary Group of Industries is one of the most successful companies in Nepal. It has many conglomerates sold widely in Nepal. CG expanded its periphery by investing in cement production as well. CG Cement is one of the leading cement brands in Nepal and it has OPC and PPC range of cement at affordable price. The price range for CG OPC cement is 750 to 850 and PPC is 650 to 750. Hongshi Shivam Cement. Cement produced by Hongshi Shivam Cement, a joint venture of Shivam Group and China's Hongshi Cement. It manufactures quality standard of PPC and OPC cement. It is one of the vastly grown cement brands in terms of sales in Nepal. For OPC, the price range is 520 to 750 and for PPC 520 to 820. Jagdamba Cement. Jagdamba Cement is one of the best cement in Nepal. It provides varieties of OPC, PPC and PSC cement. Jagdamba Cement has remained the market leader in the cement manufacturing business in Nepal. For OPC, the price range is 650 to 850 and for PPC 610 to 750. Sarvottam Cement. Sarvottam Cement is the first and only cement manufacturers in Nepal to use a completely European production line. It is an innovator and pioneer in the cement industry of Nepal. It provides a wide range of PPC, OPC and PSC cement in Nepal. The price range for OPC is 720 to 850, PPC 590 to 750 and for PSC 750 to 850. Shivam Cement. Shivam Cement is a commercial producer of 3000 TPD cement and 1900 TPD clinker from the company's self-owned limestone quarries. It is manufactured with high-quality limestone from its self-owned mine situated at Sukora and Panchakanya districts. It is one of the leading cement producers in Nepal. The price range for OPC is 750 to 900. Thank you for watching and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Joint Watch. See you next time.